Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm in a call with one of our fans. I don't want to show you because he's shy. He just cut the call. He hung up on me. So, first things first. After this video, I'll keep a speed run of this cube from my speed, and the timer will be over here. And on the screen somewhere, this phone timer will be for me, while on the screen will be for you guys to know the actual timer. Mine might be wrong, but yours, the timer you guys will see will be correct. So the formulas will be on the screen as usual. Not as usual. The last 2 into 2 tutorial was a disaster, so I'll teach it again sooner or later. I forgot what day it is. Yeah, every Friday there's a cube video, so I'll upload 2 into 2 tutorial again, but improved. So first we need to shuffle this cube.
What the fuck? So, did you find out your soulmate's age? Yeah, okay. How old is she?
Warning her about moisture being
So it's shuffled.
genuinely.
So now the first step will always be to make the cross. I'm teaching you guys the basic method, but if you guys want more other methods, make sure to check other YouTube videos of not mine, but the other YouTube cubers guys. I don't know what you call them. So let's just do it. So first you should make a cross on the yellow side with whites, like over here. Get whites over there. To get whites, you gotta do this. So this is white, right? You're gonna keep it beside you. So to keep, like for example, your white is over here. So you will not get it here, because if you do it like this thing is gonna go. So don't disturb it. Oh wait, there's one over here. Always remember one thing. When a cube faces facing towards you, this will become F, this will become B, this will become R, L, U, and D. D. No wait. Yeah, D. B is for back, okay? Not bottom. Many people think that, but it's wrong. Now, if the letter is like capitalized, then it is clockwise. Clockwise is like this. And if it is like U apostrophe, then U is up, right? Clockwise is like this, but apostrophe is there, then it is counterclockwise like this. So yeah, the formulas are on the screen. To get this thing up, this side, like over here, this white piece to here, you should just use the formula on the screen. For example, L apostrophe is enough to get it upwards. To get this thing up, first take it to an empty spot like this. For example, right now it is D, capital D. Now this one, it's just R. And this one, it will just be F first. Now move the middle piece. There's no actual formula for the middle piece, so just move it like this. Or you could also say this is up. So I would like to say U apostrophe. No wait. I would like to say the formula would be U. Then send this thing up, which is L apostrophe. Now make sure this part is matching with the center, like this. If it is matching, do the formula that I say. You could do like F or F apostrophe 2 times, which will send it downwards to the white. Do the same thing for all the others. Don't forget to match them. I'm done with my plus. You could take your time by pausing the video. Now we should keep white pieces over here. This is the next step. Fill in the corners. If there is a coin like this, you are not supposed to do it like this. Never do it like this. Because this could ruin your cube. If you're in a speedrun, it will never solve itself even if you try your oldest tricks or any other trick you find in the YouTube. So please don't do it like that. It will ruin your old cube. I mean, you don't need to buy a new one. You could just do it like twist it again. But it is just not good. Okay, just it's like an unhealthy disease for cubes. So if any coin is like this, don't directly twist it. Do this formula. If it is in the left side, use L. If it is in the right side, use right, like R over here. We will go there next. So right now, let's do L, D apostrophe, then L apostrophe, which will bring it to the exact position we wanted. Now don't like think that this will go here by just L. No, it will not go like that. So remember something. This first get this here. So to do that, follow this formula. D L D apostrophe L apostrophe. So this will be correct. But always make sure this will match with the centers. Since it didn't match, bring it back. Does this match the centers? Nope. Bring it back. Does this match the centers? Yes. Yes, it does. Now, always check these, okay? Orange and blue. Orange center, blue center. That means that white piece will go over here. But let's just take this thing out first. To do this, I just taught you guys. So, R apostrophe, D, R, we'll bring it over here. Now do D apostrophe, so that this thing will come here. Do another D apostrophe, then R apostrophe, D. When you do D, make sure to do R again so that this will go up, which will bring the white back to its place. Continue doing it for all the pieces. When you will be done with the white, you are done with the first layer. Now, don't try to speedrun yet. First, we need to learn the cube. So turn it upside down. Now it's time for the second layer. Second layer is nothing but this layer. So to do this, check these pieces with no yellow. There's yellow, so no need. This piece and this piece. So here it is red. If it was blue, we could keep it over here. But since it is red, we're gonna take it here. Now here it is blue. So blue is to the left side, right? So we're gonna take this to that side, which is currently it is U apostrophe, right? Now L apostrophe, then U, then L. Now turn your cube like this, or you could leave it like that. Then U apostrophe, no, U. Sorry, U apostrophe. Then this side will come up, which is L. L apostrophe, sorry. No, wait, wrong. You should just keep it up, okay, like that. Yeah, I can't teach you guys totally with formulas, which will confuse you. So same goes over here. Green is here, orange this side, so orange is right side, so go for the opposite, send it to the opposite side, which is left side. Send it up. You should always, like, if this thing is going left side, you should take the right side of the white and send it up. Now you should bring this piece back to its place, which will remove the white piece. And here you will find these, right? Now attach the white piece back to its place, but don't do it however you like, okay? There's only one possible way, do it that way, which will bring that piece to this place. Continue doing the same step for the other pieces, which will complete, and make sure like you're done with the second layer. Now when you're done, remember the first step where we did the white plus. Now do the yellow plus. To do that, you should not just get these over here like this and this will ruin your step. So to do yellow plus, you should use this formula: F U R U apostrophe R apostrophe and then F apostrophe. This is minus now. Now the basic tip I learned from my cousin is there will be three symbols forming over here. Like other way L, like casually L is like this, but there will be a L forming like this. Then there will be a minus and finally a plus. There will also be a dot too. Let's get back to our cube. So whenever you get minus, see the view of the minus, not like this straight line. See minus, okay? So move your cube. Use the same formula. Then you'll get the ultra L, or like the other way L. Let me. Now you should view the L, right? Like the other way. Not like this. This is wrong. You shouldn't. Don't do the formula like this. You'll get confused. I mean, you could do it, but I get confused every time. So do this. The same formula. And there you have it, your plus. Now match these parts. Oh yes, we matched it. There are these. So whenever you get two, don't match them, because how much you try with the formula I am gonna show you, you will not be able to do it. So always match one only first. If you have no chance, don't even match anything, okay? Now keep the one you matched towards your face and use this formula: R U R apostrophe U apostrophe R U apostrophe R apostrophe, which will do nothing, but if you do it again and again until you get the matching parts for all of it, you will get it. There you guys have it. We matched them as well. Now we're gonna match the corners and keep them at the correct places. Currently there is none at the correct place, so we're gonna use this formula. Oh my eye. L apostrophe U R U apostrophe L U and R apostrophe. Then make sure to match these parts again, which will definitely keep at least one part in the correct place. Yep, as I said. Now keep the correct part at your right hand side, which is this side. Now use the same formula.
13.7 billion years ago.
You will definitely find all at once. But if you get like two and not the other two, then you need to do it like this and match them again, these parts again, and do this process again, because it will not be easy for you and the timer will be extended. Now actually my friend said that there is another method, and I'm gonna show you guys the basic method. Now when you're done till here, make sure to go here, from here, then turn your cube like this, like white to this side. Now use this formula: up, right, down, left, until the yellow piece is in its place over here. Now don't go and solve this right like this. This will ruin the cube and your solving method. So take the yellow method towards you. You shouldn't go near it. Get it towards you like this. and do the same formula
7 billion years ago.
like that. Now again, don't go near it, get it towards you like this. Use the same formula, and at last there should be something, right? So there will be some part like this, just solve it, or something like this, something like this. There will be something, and you should just move that one piece and you will be done with the cube. Now at the starting I said that if you twist apart you will not be able to solve the thing, and I was true. If I would have twisted it, the cube would have been like this and I would have never been able to solve it. So never twist parts. Yeah, that was a tutorial. I hope you guys understood it, but if you guys don't, then I'll keep formulas in the on the screen while the video was going on, and I'll try to keep it in the description box. Thank you for watching. Every Friday there will be a new cube video, and next week we will try to do that tutorial, like proper one.